What's going on, guys? This is Sidney Cumbie. Yes, I'm in a tank top. It's a little weird, but I'm over here with Torres, a really awesome sculptor and makeup artist, as well as Jacquelyn Coon. And they're about to do an alien makeup on me, so join us, won't you? Because here we go. Done. Check it out. It's time to play with the eyeballs and take some photos. Let's do it. Hey, I got my eyeballs in. Let's check it out. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat now. So join us. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. It was a lot of fun, and I want to give special thanks to two people. Come on over here, guys. Get in here. All right, Mario Torres, master sculptor, painter, makeup artist, and then we got a wee one down here. This is Jacquelyn Coon. Here, Jacquelyn. Oh, there she is right there. She did a great job helping out. Oh, she got her little step stool over here. So yeah, again, thanks for watching the video, and thanks to these guys. And thanks to also Yvonne. Yvonne's behind the camera right now, helping us out with all of this. Everybody did a good job, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!
Bye!
And cut. We did.